Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can install MongoDB on your Windows 11. So in this video, first of all, we will download and install MongoDB. Then we will set a path for environment variable, and in the last of the video we will install the MongoDB shell so you can interact with MongoDB deployments. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, you need to open the Google and search here MongoDB. Open their official website named mongodb.com. From here, hover on this product section or click on it and click on community edition. Click on it. From here, click on download community button, and from here scroll down. You will see this download button. I am going to download this version, and make sure your package should be MSI. Simply I will click on download. I will select a place on my computer to download and click save. It is of 718 MB, so it will take a little bit time. So I am going to pause my video. Once the download will complete, I will resume. Okay, so the download is completed. Now I will click on open the file. From here I will click on OK. Then I will click on next, and from here I will tick mark this checkbox. I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then I will click next, and from here I have to select complete, and I will make these settings as it is. I will do not make any change in it. And so this is the path to your log file. So log file is very important when you need to find bugs in your database, so make sure to note this. Then I will click on next, and I'm going to uncheck this because I do not want to install MongoDB Compass. So I will simply click on next and click on install, and from here I will select C and click OK. Okay, it is asking me that I do not have enough space available, so let me free up some space. Then I will try again. So the installation have been completed, and it was not the last step. Now I will need to click on finish, and next we need to go to our C drive. From here I will go to program files, and you will find this MongoDB folder here. Click on it and click on 8.0 and then click on bin. Okay, after opening this folder, you need to copy the path from here and search here environment variable. So I just type environment, so it is showing me this suggestion. Simply I will click on open, and from here you need to click on advanced and click on environment variables. From here system variable, you will find this path. Double click on it, click on new, and paste this path here and simply click OK, and then again click OK. So I have made some free space on my computer. Now I will click on install. So the installation have been started. In the last, we need to install the MongoDB shell so we can interact with MongoDB deployments. So simply I will go to Google and search here for MongoDB shell download. From here I will click on the first link, and you will land on this page. And from here again I will select the MSI package, and simply I will click on download. I will click on save. So the download have been started, and the file size is 44 MB only. The download have been completed. Now I will simply click on it, and again we need to click on next, and again click on next and click on install and click on finish. So the installation process have been completed. Now in the last, we need to check either MongoDB have been installed or not. So I will simply open the CMD, and here I will type MongoD --version. So you can see that the version 7.0.9 have been installed on our computer. And so friends, this was the video that how you can install MongoDB on Windows 11. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.